Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your G715 keyboard via Bluetooth. First, make sure your G715 keyboard is sufficiently charged or plugged in. Locate the power switch, usually on the back or side, and turn your keyboard on. Also, have the device you wish to pair with, like a computer or tablet, powered on and ready to accept new Bluetooth connections. This initial preparation ensures a smooth pairing process. Now, let's get your G715 into pairing mode. On your keyboard, find the dedicated Bluetooth button. It often has a Bluetooth symbol. Press and hold this button for a few seconds. You'll notice the Bluetooth indicator light on the keyboard will start blinking quickly. This rapid blinking confirms that your G715 is actively searching for a device to connect with. Next, grab your computer, tablet, or phone. Go into its Bluetooth settings. You should see a list of available devices. Look for G715 in that list and select it. Your device might ask you to confirm a pairing code or simply to accept the connection. Once confirmed, the G715's Bluetooth indicator light should become solid, indicating a successful connection. Finally, it's time to test your new connection. Open a text editor, a browser, or any application where you can type. Try typing a few sentences to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, simply turn both your G715 and your device off, then back on again. Then, repeat the pairing steps from the start for a fresh attempt. Enjoy your wireless freedom.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.